really quickly to get you some of these first look impressions. I managed to spend about 20 to 30 minutes with the iPhone 12 mini, and honestly, out of the 4 new iPhone 12s this year, this was the one that stood out to me the most. This is the phone I'm most interested in getting for myself, mostly because it is so small and pretty and cute. And in person, this thing did not disappoint. This 5.4-inch screen in this beautiful aluminum body and the 5 different colors that we saw were just really, really attractive. I really love how this phone fit in my hand. It was very easy to just kind of maneuver with one hand. I could type easily with just one hand and reach across the screen to get all the icons no matter where they lay. I'm also super taken with the new light green color option, but I must say the red and blue variants are also very attractive. One thing that's new across the iPhone 12 lineup are the OLED screens on all 4 phones. On the iPhone 12 mini, things looked really bright, clear, colorful. Even under the sunlight streaming into our demo area, I could see things pretty clearly. I didn't really actually have to bump brightness up to the max to see things easily, but I did anyway, and it is very easy to read. And though there's still a lot of things I can't actually test and tell you about, things like 5G performance, things like battery life. One of these things is the A14 Bionic processor's performance in the real world, but I can tell you that just from my few minutes of kind of launching apps and surfing some websites, I already feel like this thing is a beast. Another thing that I want more time to test are the cameras on the iPhone 12 mini. There's a pair on the back, a 12 megapixel wide and an ultra wide option. And the pictures that we took in the test area look nice. Once again, this is something we'll have to take out into the real world to test because Apple also added some improvements to things like night mode, and our demo area was just kind of bright and couldn't test that out. The other thing that I didn't really try out at our hands-on event was the durability of the ceramic shield glass covering the screen. Apple says it's up to 4 times stronger than the glass on previous models of the iPhone. I also like how easy it is to just remove the card holder and swap something else in. But again, I don't know how many accessories you have lying around at home, but Apple is clearly trying to build an ecosystem here. For $699, the iPhone 12 mini looks really compelling. I'm very tempted by it.